Okay folks, today we're going to be doing a sandwich collaboration with Home Sweet Holmes. We'd like to thank her for having this collaboration. Our sandwich we're going to be having today is going to be a copycat Arby's beef and cheddar. Here we've got our onion buns, our roast beef, the cheddar, and here is some Arby's sauce that they made, copycat Arby's sauce.
Okay, for the Arby's sauce you'll need ketchup, hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, onion powder, garlic powder, brown sugar, water, and salt and pepper. Our son Daniel is making this today. You'll add 1 cup of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, which is hard to get out, there it goes, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and salt and pepper to taste. You'll put it on medium heat and let it come to a boil. Then turn it to low or simmer and simmer for 5 minutes. Then let it cool.
And this will be butter for we're going to toast the buns. And what you do, you take you some roast beef, you put it down in hot water, heat it that way, the meat stays moist. And first we'll get us some buns toasted over here. Let's get started. Alrighty, we'll put a little bit of butter, melted butter, on our bun halves here. Place that there. If you don't want to use butter, you can spread a little bit of mayonnaise thin on there. Check, we don't want to get it. Alrighty. Okay, we toast it up about like that. If you want it just a little bit more, whatever you like. Alrighty, we'll set that there. Now, we'll take us a piece of our cheddar cheese. Whew, that's close. Now, lay a piece there like that. Like that. Now, what we'll do, take just a little bit, however much roast beef you want. Take it, put it down in the hot water. It don't take real long to heat it up, however hot you want it. Now we'll pour just a little bit of this Arby sauce. This is a little bit thicker Arby sauce. This is quick and simple. After a day's work, don't take long to do it. Alrighty. There you have it. Thank y'all for watching, and thank you again to Home Sweet Homes for having this collaboration. She has a great channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Y'all have a great evening. Thank you.